to the school end of the track, please. Youth drivers to the school end of the track. We have the K16 of Braylon Kellogg, the 17 of Kobe Briggs, the 55 of Austin, the 06 Jeremy Lutz, the 05 Jaden Riviera, the 69 Ananias Sorter, the 721 Junior Jackson Doyle, the 18D Jameson Doyle, the 139 of Hunter Jones, the train is keeping on the dry end of the track. 55 of Austin. And the 17 of Kobe Briggs. Turn it up, drivers. Come on now. You had to wait. Let's go. Nice shot right here. The 06 coming out of the 15. K16 for the top. Good run. Place is your 55 of Austin. We are down to the 17 of Kobe Briggs, the 06 of Jeremy Lutz. Red flag, drivers, red flag, red flag. We got a Let's go, drivers. Make some contact. Let's go. There you go. Hey, gentlemen at the end of the track, get off the track. Gentlemen at the end of the track. Justin. Hey, guys, at the end of the track. Nice head on. have you been in here driving? This is your first time you pull off the winner. Congratulations, buddy. How did you feel?
That's straight behind me.
That tire behind us in the chat.
Tire blue.
All right, here we have second place. What's your name,
Stand
buddy?
next to it.
Colby, how long you been doing this?
First time.
This is your first time doing. You go off the second. Are you guys friends with each other? You come down together or what? All right. Well, you want to be in this kind of town? You guys have some future derby friends. All right. Well, congratulations, buddy.